Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophia, and today we're going to go through the first steps of the Motorola Moto G14, and we're on our welcome page here, so we can make emergency calls and set vision settings, and we click on start now so we can connect to a mobile network. We're not going to do that right now, we have a separate video for that, so we say skip. And now we can connect to a Wi-Fi. We're going to do that so we can download apps and stuff. So I'm going to connect to my network now. So getting our phone ready, privacy and software updates. Motorola collects and reports usage information to keep your software up to date, provides personalized support and improved products and services. All right, you can check these boxes right here or disable them, and then say accept and continue. Looking for updates, getting your phone ready again. All right, copy apps and data. We can go ahead and copy apps and data from our old device. And we do not have an old device, and also it's just nice to start fresh again sometimes. So we say don't copy. If you click on next, it will guide you through the next steps. So now we can sign into our Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one there. And then enter our password. Now we come to the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and the privacy policy. You can read through them there if you click on the blue, and you pretty much don't have any other option than saying I agree or don't add this account now, but then you don't have your Google account on your phone, so we say agree. Getting account info now. Now we come to Google Services, use basic device backup, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. If the use location is on, you can have the allow scanning enabled as well. If you turn that off, the allow scanning will turn off automatically with it. And if you read through it, made your decisions here, you can click on accept. And now we can choose our search engine. If you click on these little arrows here, we can read through more information about each one, and you can also reconfigure your home screen and Chrome at any time. So this is not forever, so we can choose one and then click on next. Now we can set a pin. We have a separate video for that as well, so we say skip anyway, continue setup, or leave and get a reminder. Keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. Leave and get a reminder, we're pretty much set up, so we can leave now. Stay in, join million Motorola fans who receive exclusive information about product launches, events, tips, software updates, and much more. We say not now, no, not now. Also, we don't want to add our email. And now we can choose our navigation style, so we can say gestures or the buttons. I'm gonna go with gestures. You can choose whatever you like here and then click on next. Setup complete, you're ready to start exploring your device. All right, finish. Just 1 second. Discover your new favorite apps. Your phone curates apps just for you and puts them at your fingertips. No, thank you. And now we're on our home screen. So that was the initial setup of the Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.